Hello friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today we are going to prepare pepper beef. So let's get started. First we'll take 500 grams of beef. We'll add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, and then squeeze 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add salt according to your taste. And then we will mix it all together really well. We'll keep it to marinate for about 1 hour. Now we'll add the marinated beef into the pressure cooker. We'll fill it with water till the beef cubes are submerged completely inside it. Settle it down, and now we will add 1 tablespoon of oil and just give a little stir. We'll close the lid and cook it for about 15 minutes in medium flame. It's about 5 whistles. Our beef is now 80% cooked. Now we'll heat the pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil to it. We'll add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. When it starts popping up, we'll add ginger and garlic paste and 1 tablespoon. If you're first time in our channel, please do subscribe. We'll mix it till it becomes a little golden brown. Now we'll add shallots or onion around 1 cup. We'll add curry leaves on 1 stem, which is very optional to you. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, and then we will saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will add our beef, which is 80% cooked. We'll cook it for 10 to 15 minutes in low flame. With 5 minutes of intervals, we are going to just mix it. Once it's a little dried up, we are going to add lemon juice around 1 tablespoon. Then we'll mix it with it. After some time, we are going to add 3 teaspoons of tomato ketchup. And we'll mix it together. The lemon juice and tomato ketchup is the taste makers to this. That's the reason we are going to add it at the last. And then we'll fry it up till it is dried out. Lastly, we'll garnish it with curry leaves. Our pepper beef is now ready to serve. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications on time.